Rhea Bell Meets the Unicorn by Eugene Cook. Part 1. Thanks to unicorns, the forest always has pure water. Unicorns used to come to streams and lakes in the forest and drink water. The unicorn purified the water. Beyond the rainbow in the forest was the kingdom of the unicorns. One day, a little pony unicorn got lost while walking through the forest. Unicorn Rainbow was looking for her little sister Jenny. Rhea Bell went to a forest flower garden with a couple of friends, Sasha and Chloe, to get Gabriel Daisy flowers to make clothes. Rhea saw a deer when she reached the flower garden of the Gabriel Daisies, but the deer's horns were a little different. She had a long, slender spider horn on her head. After a while, Rhea realized it was a unicorn she had heard about from her grandma Laura. There was a rustling sound, and the little unicorn turned its head. The two stopped and looked at each other in surprise. Then the two greeted at the same time. The name of the little pony unicorn was Jenny. As the unicorn passed by, the flowers scattered in all directions like stars. It was magic. Sasha and Chloe came to Rhea and the unicorn. Rhea, there are so many daisy flowers. Oh, hi. Are you a deer or a pony? Oh my gosh, unicorn! What a surprise! We met the original unicorn. It's amazing. Sasha and Chloe were happy to meet the unicorn. We'd better wait here together so she doesn't get lost anymore, Rhea said. Everyone agreed. Rhea, Sasha, Chloe, and Jenny, the little pony unicorn, ran around with the butterflies in the flower fields. The unicorn Rainbow wandered through the forest and finally found her little sister. Jenny, I was worried. Next time, don't go far alone. Oh, hello, couple of friends. Jenny, you made a new friend. The unicorn Rainbow looked worried. We can no longer see flowers, trees, or running water in the unicorn kingdom. The forest will soon freeze. We must prevent the kingdom and forest from freezing, said the unicorn Rainbow. The fire of life has disappeared, and if it is not found, spring does not come to the unicorn kingdom and forest. Rhea said goodbye to her colorful friends for a while and went to the unicorn kingdom with the unicorn sisters. The unicorn flew into the sky, and Rhea's clock turned into a white winter clock. A strong wind blew as they approached the unicorn kingdom. Rhea's clock waved her omni. They arrived in the unicorn kingdom. Unicorns flew 1,000 miles at a time. The unicorn kingdom was covered with ice. The unicorn went to the Fire of Life room. The fire of life was gone, frozen everywhere. When they entered the frozen palace, the rainbow that shone from the unicorn's body disappeared. "Where did the fire of life go?" Leah asked. The fallen unicorn Dora stole the fire of life from the unicorn kingdom and handed it to Pegasus. He wants to be the king of the whole unicorn world. We have to find the Pegasus Palace in the Deep Valley Forest. See you in the next story.